First, rule out a loose connector. Find this black box. Then find the turn signal connector and unplug and replug it. Find the corresponding connector, left turn signal connector or right turn signal connector. There on the side with more connectors. If the connectors are not loose and only one of the turn signals is working, then swap the left and right turn signal connectors. Check the operation of the left and right turn signals after switching them. For example, the right turn signal is working and the left turn signal is not. Then connect the right turn signal to the left turn signal connector. If the right turn signal still works after connecting the right turn signal to the left turn signal connector, the right turn signal will still work. Then the left turn signal is broken. If the right turn signal does not work even after the right turn signal is connected to the left turn signal connector, then the black junction box is broken.